Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you incredibly delicious sardines keto recipe. Ingredients: sardines canned in water, drained 3 Oz, cherry tomato, 08 cherry, lemon juice, 1 tbsp extra virgin olive oil, 2 tbsp broccoli, 6 Oz, basil, 1 tbsp pine nuts, 1 tbsp garlic, 1 clove, Parmesan cheese, dry grated salt, sea salt, 0.5 tbsp, black pepper, 0.13 tsp. Wait! Before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lion weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the tomatoes in half and trim the tough ends from the broccoli and discard. You want to remove a decent amount of the stalk to reduce the cooking time. Arrange the broccoli and tomatoes in a medium-sized oven dish. Crush or finely chop the garlic. Roughly tear the sardines and arrange it amongst the vegetables. Sprinkle over the crushed garlic, salt, and pepper. Drizzle over the olive oil and lemon juice. Transfer the dish to the oven to bake for 10 minutes. Sprinkle over the pine nuts and Parmesan and bake for a further 3-5 minutes or until the broccoli is tender and the topping is golden. Roughly chop the fresh basil. Scatter the basil over the finished dish. Serve hot with your preferred keto mains or sides. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat. Get Alpha-Lion weight loss supplement, click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.